What if the smartphones you're so attached to become obsolete in the near future? A tantalizing question indeed as we delve into the fascinating world of technology. Technology is evolving at a breakneck speed, with smartphones and artificial intelligence at the forefront of this revolution. Think about it, smartphones have transformed from mere communication devices into indispensable life companions. They've morphed into our personal assistants, entertainment hubs, and information banks, all residing in our pockets. Simultaneously, AI has woven itself into the fabric of our daily lives. It's in our homes, cars, and offices, making our lives easier and more efficient. It's the silent partner that's always there, always ready to assist. Now imagine a future where AI doesn't merely assist us through our phones but replaces them. What if AI could provide all the services we currently rely on our smartphones for and more without the physical device? Could the future hold a possibility where AI doesn't just assist us through our smartphones but replaces them entirely? Keep that thought. Today, we introduce you to the concept of the humane AI pin. This revolutionary piece of tech is not just another gadget but a leap into the future. A wearable device, the humane AI pin is designed to weave artificial intelligence more seamlessly into our daily routines than ever before. This nifty device learns from you, quietly observing your habits, preferences, and behaviors. It tailors its assistance to your needs, making your life easier and more efficient. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. But here's the kicker. The humane AI pin doesn't need a screen. That's right, it's entirely hands-free. This means you can interact with technology in a more humane way without the need to constantly look at a screen or type on a keyboard. So imagine, no more screens, no more typing, just you, your voice, and your personal AI assistant. You might be wondering, how does this humane AI pin work? Well, it's all about voice recognition. The AI pin is designed to understand and respond to your spoken commands. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the need for a screen or the constant checking of a phone. At the heart of the humane AI pin is an advanced artificial intelligence. This AI learns from your interactions, adapting and personalizing its responses to better assist you. Whether you need to set a reminder, find a recipe, or connect with a friend, the AI pin is there to help. It can perform a variety of tasks and access information just like a smartphone. And the best part? It connects to your other devices, bringing everything together seamlessly. No more juggling multiple gadgets. It's all in one place. With Humane AI Pin, your assistant is not in your pocket or your hand, but right there on your lapel, always ready to assist. Let's summarize what we've uncovered today. We began by delving into the future of smartphones and AI, highlighting the increasing integration of these two technologies. We then introduced you to the game changer, the Humane AI Pin, a revolutionary device that promises to redefine our relationship with technology. This wearable tech, much like a pin, brings AI closer to us, removing the need for handheld devices. It's not just a fresh take on technology, it's a new way of life. We explored how it works, its simplicity and accessibility, transforming AI interaction from a screen-based activity to a more natural, human-like conversation. The Humane AI Pin could herald a new era, one where technology is not just in our hands or pockets but becomes a part of us, enhancing our lives seamlessly. The future of AI is not in our hands or pockets, it's on us, literally. Welcome to a future where AI assists us more humanely, without the barriers